Hey guys, so today we're going to go over area of a triangle, and we've done this in the past, so hopefully after we review this a little bit you'll remember how to do it. But remember, a triangle is just a rectangle cut in half. So with a rectangle we find the area by taking base times height, or length times width. Okay, so with a triangle, it's the exact same thing. We're going to take half of the base times height, or we'll take the base times height and then divide it by 2 so we can split it in half. So I have a couple triangles already drawn on here for you. Okay, so excuse me. So this triangle, the base is 8 and the height is 7. So in order to find the area for this triangle, I have to take 8 times 7 and then divide that answer in half. So I'm going to take 8 times 7, which is 56. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 then is to take 56 divided by 2. And 2 goes into 5 2 times. Sorry, I didn't leave myself much room. Be sure to bring that 6 down. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So my answer is 28, and since my label's inches, remember with area it's going to be square. So it is 28 square inches. So this triangle right here, the area will be 28 square inches. Okay, now this triangle is a little bit different. Okay, I have my base down here, which is 7, and I don't have a side that goes straight up, so my height goes right here through the middle from the tip down to the base. So my first step is to take base times height. So 7 times 5 is 36, or 35, sorry. I've been away from school too long too. Okay, so now step 2, I need to divide 35 in half. My problem with this one is that it is not an even number. So I'm either going to have a fraction or I'll have a decimal as part of my answer. So now if I'm doing this as a decimal, add my decimal and a 0, bring down my 0, make sure to bring that decimal straight up. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Or if I had wanted to, I didn't make a decimal, I could have made this a mixed number and I could have made it 17 and a half square, and this time I got centimeters, square centimeters. So either way, I can either write it as a mixed number or I can write it as a decimal number. Okay, so let's try one more here. I'm going to do another one that doesn't have the height on the side. Okay. And we'll make our base here 3 feet. And so our height goes from the tip down to the base. Okay, And let's make this one, let's make it 9. 9 feet. So, step 1, base times height. 9 times 3. So that's 27. Now, step 2, divide that answer by 2. Now remember, I can do this as a decimal, and a 0, and bring my decimal straight up, bring my 0 down. Or I could have done and I could have written my remainder as a fraction. And remember, my denominator is my divisor. Okay, in this case, my label was feet. So, square feet. Okay, so I want you to go ahead, if you want to, there is an example page added on here so that you guys can look for the examples. And then there is also your practice to try. Please remember, if you have any questions, go ahead and message me. But if you message me, you need to wait a few minutes for me to respond back. Or if you can't stay on right then, you can go ahead and get off. But be sure you come back and check again later, because I will get back with you. But sometimes if I'm answering someone else's question, it might take me a couple minutes, or if I'm typing out an answer for you, it might take me a couple minutes to get back to you, okay? If I need to, I can make you another video. When you are messaging me, please make sure that you are, if it's about a specific problem, make sure you tell me which problem it is, and try to tell me exactly what step you're messing up on or not understanding. Okay, please do your best, because I am checking over these, I am grading these, and if you don't do well on an assignment, I will send you a message back. I'll let you redo it and make your corrections. So always go back and check. I'll send you a message. Always check those messages. See if I've sent you a message, if there's any you need to go back and correct. Okay? Don't hesitate to message me if you need anything. I hope you guys are having a great week. Bye.